Hi besties, welcome back to my channel. So as you guys have seen with the title, today I'll be doing something really different, something really yummy, something that you guys can enjoy during this period that we are facing. So this is Dalgona Coffee. So I'll be showing you guys how I actually achieved this yummy and delicious coffee. So if you are new to this channel, hi, welcome to my channel. I'm Leendo, and please do subscribe to my channel for more interesting recipes. So yes guys, enjoy this video as I take you through each and every step of making this absolutely delicious Dalgona coffee. Enjoy! Okay besties, so these are the ingredients that we need for the Dalgona coffee. So firstly, obviously you need coffee. So I'm using Jacob's, but you can use any coffee brand, it's fine. And then we also need milk, and then we need sugar. I'm using brown sugar, but white sugar is also fine. And then we've got ice cubes, so I just crushed them a bit. And then also you need a whisk, either a whisk or a hand mixer. So if you're using a whisk, you're gonna whisk for slightly a longer time, for about maybe 10 minutes. But if you're using a hand mixer, at least it's not gonna be that long. So if you don't have a hand mixer, you can just use the whisk. So yeah guys, this is an amazing coffee. You can have it either cold or hot, so I'm gonna have it a bit warmish, because yeah, okay, actually it's gonna be cold because of the ice cubes, but then my milk is gonna be warm. So let me just show you how we do it. So firstly, you need two tablespoons of coffee, not teaspoons, tablespoons. So that's one, and that's two. So 2 tablespoons of coffee, that's the first thing that you need. And then secondly, you need 2 tablespoons of sugar. So because you are using because you are using 2 tablespoons of coffee, so you also need 2 tablespoons of sugar. So it needs to balance, the ratio needs to balance. And then, okay, this is my second one. And then I now need 2 tablespoons of hot water as well. So I'm just gonna quickly boil them a bit, and then I'll show you. Okay, so it's gonna be 2 tablespoons of hot water. So this is 1, and then 2, and then just let it dissolve a bit, and then we're gonna go in and start whisking it. So can you see how it looks? Just let it dissolve a bit. And then we're gonna go in and whisk. So like I said, if you don't have a hand mixer, you can definitely use this whisk. So I'm gonna use my hand mixer. I'm gonna start it on low. Okay, so can you see how thick it is? So I'm just gonna go in and mix it a bit up until it's slightly thicker, but this is also fine. But because I want it to be a bit thicker than this, so I'm just gonna go in one more time, and then it should be fine after that. Okay, so basically the aim of this is to get your coffee to be as thick as you possibly can get it. It must be, yeah, it must be creamy and foamy like this one. And also once the color starts to change, then you know that, okay, now it's fine. Even if you are using a whisk, so it should also get you to this consistency, although it will take quite a while. Like I said, it takes about 10 to 12 minutes when you're using a whisk. So with this, it was literally about 2 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes. So now we're gonna start assembling the coffee. Stay tuned. All right, besties, so now, like I told you, I'm gonna use some warm milk. So I just wanna pour the milk in here and then warm it a bit. So you're gonna need milk for your cups. So you're gonna pour the milk in there and in there. So I think that this is gonna be enough for both of the cups. So you can just measure. You can also just use the milk cold as it is. So it's fine, it doesn't really matter. So I'm gonna warm mine a bit in the microwave and then I'm gonna come back and assemble everything. Okay, besties, so I'm back. My milk is a bit warm now. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add the ice cubes. So because my ice cubes are pretty big, I tried to crush them a bit so that they can fit in here properly. So you'll have just like a quarter of ice cubes on your inside your glass or inside your cup, and then just pour your milk. So you're gonna pour your milk up to like 3/4 of the cup. So up until here, yeah, I think that this is fine. And then also in the other cup as well. Okay, I'm just gonna twist it a bit. Yeah, so that's about it. So now we're gonna come in with our coffee, our whipped coffee. So I'm gonna use the very same spoon that I was using. Can you see how nice and foamy it is? So then you just put it in there. Okay, besties, so over here I've got crushed Oreos. So I just crushed a few Oreos, which I'm gonna just sprinkle here at the top. It's not like compulsory to do this, but I mean, to make it look super nice and classy, then you can just sprinkle some Oreo or chocolate even. So you can just crush some chocolate and then sprinkle all over so that it looks really nice and cute. You know, you do need to style your food as well. As much as you style your hairstyle, I mean your hair and your clothes, food also does need to be styled. So this really looks cute. I mean, you can do this for your significant other and they'll really love and appreciate this, just like how I did this for me and my husband. So right now we are about to indulge in this. So thank you so much for tuning in, besties, and thank you so much for your continued support on my channel. I have seen a lot of growth and I truly appreciate that. So thank you so much. And if you are new, please remember to subscribe to my channel for more and more interesting recipes. So yes guys, thank you. Remember to subscribe, like, comment and share this. And if you do try this coffee out, do let me know how it turned out in the comment section below. And also don't forget to follow me on the socials, Instagram and Facebook. So thank you for tuning in. Till next time, bye.